Hello Nigeria, good to have you join us on News Express. Abia State Governor Alex Otti has reaffirmed his administration's commitment to rewarding excellence among young Nigerians serving in the state, announcing that corps members who distinguish themselves during their service year will continue to enjoy automatic employment opportunities. The governor gave the assurance during the swearing-in ceremony of the 2026 Batch A-2 corps members deployed to Abia State. The event was held at the National Youth Service Corps Permanent Orientation Camp in Umuna, Benin local government area, where hundreds of young graduates officially began their one-year national service. Represented by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Development, Mrs. Jane Igwe, Governor Otti says the policy of automatic employment for outstanding corps members is part of a broader strategy to build human capital and encourage excellence in public service. He described the initiative as a deliberate investment in young talent aimed at strengthening the state's workforce with capable and committed individuals. According to him, Abia State has maintained a tradition of recognizing exceptional performance among corps members, and that tradition will not only continue but be strengthened under his administration. He emphasized that merit and dedication during the service year remain critical for consideration. The governor assured the corps members that their time in Abia State will be meaningful, adding that the state's government is committed to providing an environment that supports productivity, learning, and personal development. He noted that human capital development remains central to his administration's governance agenda, describing young people as the most important asset of the state. He also encouraged the corps members to make the most of their service year by engaging positively with their host communities and contributing to local development. He stressed that the government will continue to support the NYSC scheme in the state, particularly in areas that enhance the welfare and safety of corps members. He also used the occasion to caution the corps members against indiscipline and reckless behavior, warning that poor choices during the service year can have long-term consequences on their future. He urged them to remain focused, disciplined, and law-abiding throughout their stay in the state. He also addressed issues some corps members may have concerning their posting, assuring them that Abia State remains a safe and welcoming environment for national service. According to him, there is no need for anxiety or attempts to seek relocation to other states, as the government is committed to ensuring their security and comfort. He further reiterated that the administration will continue to work with relevant agencies to improve the welfare of corps members, including support for their accommodation, safety, and general well-being during their service year. Also speaking at the ceremony, the Commissioner for Sports and Youth Development and Chairman of the NYSC State Governing Board, Sir Nwaobilo Ananaba, highlighted the government's commitment to youth empowerment and community development. He noted that the state places high value on excellence and continues to create opportunities for young people to contribute meaningfully to society. The NYSC State Coordinator, Inyanusa Tanimu, disclosed that a total of 1,743 corps members were registered for the orientation course. The group consists of 753 males and 990 females, reflecting a strong participation of young graduates from across the country. Tanimo expressed appreciation to the state government for their continued support to the NYSC scheme, particularly in improving camp facilities, enhancing security, and relocating the NYSC Secretariat in Umuahia to a more conducive environment. He, however, appealed for further intervention in key areas, including the provision of functional ambulance, rehabilitation of camp facilities, and upgrading of the camp clinic to better meet the health needs of corps members. The oath of alliance was administered by the Chief Judge of Abia State, Justice Lillian Abai, represented by Justice Collington Okorafo, formally inducting the corps members into the National Service Program. Governor Otti's renewed promise of automatic employment for high-performing corps members reinforces his administration's broader focus on merit-based governance and youth empowerment. It also reflects a growing emphasis on using public service as a platform for talent identification and workforce development. As the corps members begin their service year in Abia State, the announcement sets both an expectation and an opportunity. For those who distinguish themselves, the service year may become not just a civic duty, but a pathway into permanent employment within the state's public sector. In a broader sense, the policy also highlights the role of state governments in addressing youth unemployment through structured incentives and performance-based opportunities. By linking service excellence to employment prospects, the Abia State government is attempting to create a system that rewards commitment while strengthening public institutions. As the program unfolds, attention will now turn to how effective the policy is implemented and how many corps members ultimately benefit from the promise of automatic employment. For now, the message from the state government is clear. Excellence during service will not just go unnoticed, and in Abia State, it may also open the door to a career. For more updates and in-depth analysis, stay with us on News Express. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments section. I am Cassie Tony. Many thanks for watching, and do have a beautiful day.